Hello and welcome to today's video where you are going to learn how to apply for Walmart ads so you can start advertising your products on Walmart.com. This used to be a program only available for big brands or sellers who had a very large budget, but now Walmart has launched this self-service sponsored products program to where you and I can now have access to it. All we have to do, as the name says, is create the advertising campaigns ourselves, which is something that we can cover in a future video. Let us know if you're interested in that in the comments below. But in this specific video, I'm going to show you how you can fill out the application so you can have access to this program, because it is no secret that having access to the sponsored products and those ad placements in strategic places can significantly increase your sales. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before I show you the application process, I want to quickly cover the different sponsored product placements that you have access to once you get granted advertising for Walmart. So we have several options. We have the search in grid. So whenever a customer types in certain keywords that are related to your product, and you can choose those keywords when you're creating your campaigns, then the sponsored products are going to show up between spots 1 and 4. So that is a way that especially if you're not ranking well organically, then you can be the first ones that the customers are going to see right at the top. You also have access to the carousel placements, and that can show up. It's kind of like the slide of products, and that can show up as several different pages. It could be on just like the results page when someone types in a keyword. It could be on an actual items page. So if the item is related to your product, Amazon will suggest other products that they can explore with this carousel, and that your product could show up in the carousel as well. You also have access to the buy box, and that is super powerful because your ad can show up right below a competitor's, like add to cart box. So if a customer is still looking through, if they're still considering a product versus your option, for example, they can see it right away, your offer instead. And lastly, you also have access to the stock up. So once a customer is getting ready to check out, if they added something to their cart, Walmart is going to suggest other things that they may also be interested in based on what they're buying. So it's going to have this pop-up of like missing anything and all of these different suggestions. And some could be organic, chosen by Walmart, and some could be as part of your campaigns. So I just wanted to show you all of these different opportunities. So if you were on the fence, is it worth it to actually even apply for Walmart ads or not? You can definitely see that there's so many opportunities that you can grab that sale. So highly recommend it. And then now let's get to the application process. If you go to walmartconnect.com, which I will leave in the description below, that link, you're going to see right away this big button that says Start Advertising. So go ahead and click on it. And here there is a very simple form that you have to fill out. All you have to do is put your business or organization type. And I believe most of us would fall under the category of Walmart Marketplace seller. So that is what we chose, but choose the one that has most to do with your situation, of course. Then you're going to put your first and last name and your company name. So just to know that for your company name, put the name of the company that you use when you open your Walmart Seller Center account. What we did wrong was that we actually did our brand name, the doing business as company name, and that actually delayed our acceptance process. We just had to resubmit the form. So just a note, make sure you use like the actual company name you use to open your account. Then you select your job title, could be anything. Honestly, it's not that important. If you're the owner, manager, or anything, whatever your job title is, your email address, which should also match the email address that you use to open the Seller Center account, the email that you use to log into Seller Center, your phone number. Even though it's optional, I would recommend that you put, as much information as you can. Your country, your tax ID, also the same one that you used to open your Walmart Seller Center account. And finally, how you heard about Walmart Connect and advertising on Walmart. So you can select one of these options. Then you just have to prove you're a robot. Hopefully you are not a robot. And then you have to agree with their privacy policies. Then you're going to submit, and someone from Walmart Connect is going to reach out to you within 72 hours. However, if you don't hear anything within 72 hours, you can send an email to walmartconnect@walmart.com, which is what we ended up doing when we realized we had put the wrong company name. Or another email address that you can send to, which was very responsive to us, was wpasales@walmart.com, which I'll also leave in the description below. And that's it. It's as simple as this. And once you're accepted, you're going to see on your Seller Center account that you now have access at the top menu right here to the Ad Center. And once you click on that, you're going to see all of these different options for you to create campaigns. There's help and guides for how to do it. But as I mentioned, if you are interested in learning how to create sponsored product campaigns for Walmart, be sure to leave that in the comments below so we can create videos that we know that is going to be valuable to you. And that's it. I hope you like this quick but hopefully valuable tutorial. And if you did, be sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos and tutorials, updates, all of it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.